Okay, we are back. All right. Uh, Back to our idea. All right. Making money, definitely, with very, very, very little or almost nothing, okay, from our bedroom. Right. That is our concept all this while. And we have done quite a long list already. Now, you probably have already found out from what we have been doing is we are providing services, okay, digital services from our bedroom. Okay, all right. And the best way to make money is actually to provide solution. Solution providers tend to make quite a good sum of money. All right. So let's think of a problem. All right. Small companies, okay, could not really afford programmers, system analysts to write programs for them. Right? They just can't. They can't even have a proper IT department uh, to say. Okay. So how do they get job done? All right. Well, a lot of them make do with the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Right? They create formulas. They pay someone to create the formulas for them. Why? Okay, all those complex formulas in the spreadsheet, the cells, and they punch in the data. Right? And then all these formula will crunch these numbers together and give them some output, and they will use that output, all right, to make certain decision or buy certain products and so forth. They use Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. But we all know that Microsoft Excel, right, or Microsoft Office need license. Right? No matter how cheap it is, it's not free. It's not free. Okay. And well, Google Sheet is free. Well, it is. Okay. Think about it. Get a Gmail account, access Google Sheet, store your Google Sheet inside your Google Drive, and you can even share it with few person inside your company. If your company is small, all right, you can even identify who to share it with. Well, this is actually a very big change to a lot of small companies, and they want it. They really want it. Right? For the first time, they can actually uh, work from home. They do not need a thumb drive to transfer the Excel spreadsheet file around the office. Okay, you can access it just like I can access it. All right, and they want this. So as long as you are able to translate what is in the formulas from the Excel spreadsheet to Google Sheet, all these small companies are willing to pay you. They are not that far different, okay, between the Excel spreadsheet and Google Sheet. Yes, they are not 100% the same, but they are not really that fantastically different, right? For someone that know a bit of IT or I know Microsoft Office well enough, you should be able to pick up Google Sheet, all right? So help them do this migration and get paid doing it. Not only do you get paid doing it, once you have this copy of the Google Sheet, you can actually go to another company that is in a similar industry or the similar setting and provide the same service over and over and over again. It's just that simple. But it really is just that simple. Of course, big company they can afford a proper IT department, so they can hire people to write the program for them. They can outsource it. But small company can't do this. They just can't. All right. So they rely, all right, on services provided by freelancer like you, like me, like some of my friends. Okay, we take projects, we do them, and then we get paid. All right, that's it. not very complex. Okay, all right. There are plenty of website that list out all the function and features of Google Sheet. Just match them to your Microsoft Excel spreadsheet formulas and functions and so forth, and you are most likely there. Okay, so this is another service you can provide directly from your bedroom. Okay, and get started. All right. Okay, so I hope this is another add-on to our long list, okay, of things that we can do from our bedroom, right, with very little or almost no money at all right. Okay, so until the next time, okay, go out, get some extra pocket money for yourself, all right, and who knows, all right, give yourself a treat.